Hello everyone, have a good day. In this video, I'm going to share with you an exercise, and this is regular squat. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Ano nga ko? Iba talaga mag-exercise guys ng maaga. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Nangalay ko tanghali na kasing exercise ko. Hapon na. Iba talaga ang exercise guys ng umaga. Mas marami kang energy. Thank you so much for watching. And please see you on my next exercise.